Good afternoon. My name's Alfred Melendez, Al Melendez for short, but I'm the new training director here at John B. Scola School. Basically what goes on in here is we teach apprentices the trade, bricklayers, restoration, stone, tile. We also teach safety courses, fall protection, scaffolding, OSHA, and just prepare young kids for their great future. We had these young kids from high school. I remember being in high school, which was quite a long time ago. Overall, there's a handful of kids that really grasped what was going on. You could see the ones that are really interested. But with the instructors we have, we realized we pick out one or two kids that look like they may be, future construction workers. But in overall, it was a success. The kids had fun. I believe they learned something, and some of them might continue, going forward. I think it's important. I remember being as a young kid, no one's ever introduced anything to me. If anything that was introduced was the street. Is either do something with your life or hang out in the street. Didn't want to go to school, had no desire to finish school, so I had to pick something. But I believe the generation that's coming out, they need direction. Learning how to work with your hands and obtaining some sort of skill would be awesome for them. So the opportunities the union trades give young men and women an opportunity to pave a path for their future. They get to experience firsthand what a work site looks like, what it sounds like, what it feels like. What we provide is hope. If I could do this, and a couple other co-workers that I work with, if they could do this, they obviously have that same opportunity. I think it's a great opportunity if you don't want school, you don't want to pay college. This is what you have available to you, and it's a decent living, and lives change.